Hey guys! Today I have something fun to share with you, which I haven't shared before on this channel. So I am a pet artist commissioner, I suppose now, based on my Etsy shop. I thought I would share with you one that I completed recently. It's the largest commission I've ever done and one of the largest drawings I've ever done. So this one is 18 by 24. Maybe I'll link it up here so that you guys can see it. And I've already shipped it off to the customer so that she can enjoy it. And yeah, I really enjoyed working on this one. I think it's really cool that people now trust me to make art for their house and of something special to them like their pets. So I'm so grateful and that they like my art enough to actually buy it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the time lapse. Thanks guys! Thanks guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up below so that others can enjoy watching it too. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more content in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.